Honey fresco, eating well, made easy. This is the honey stinger you said, or whatever? Mm-hmm. Let's go with that one. Pepperoni, the classic cheese. Let's just go with the pepperoni one. Small one, because I gotta work out. Hey, yo, what's good, everybody? Fat Lopez here with another MUKBANG, baby. So, guys, summer's over. I can have more cheat meals. Let's give this a bite. Look at that. Oh. Thanks. It's called honey stinger. It's between a little bit sweet and spicy. I can definitely taste the honey, the jalapenos, the cheese. This pizza was made with love. I gotta burn this. Look. Wow. I give this pizza double thumbs up, guys. Go out and buy it. Tastes really good. Where's this from?
Fortinos.
Oh wow, Fortinos.
It's $5 a slice. A big slice like that.
You did an amazing job. Yeah, guys, I'm back on YouTube. Let's go. Fortinos, I rate it. Guys, go out and get it in Fortinos. Peace.
Can I try?
Stay fly. Try bite.
Is it spicy?
Yeah, it's my YouTube. It's not spicy. I said it's like sweet and spicy. It's a good combination.
That one?
It's good, right?
Holy shit.
Is it honey stinger?
It's called sweet stinger, but it's like a honey stinger, yeah.